Hello friends, today I want to talk to you about how to tell good leather using an analogy that all of us are familiar with. Over the years, the big brands made you start thinking you don't understand leather because you're buying something that looks like leather, you pay a lot of money for it coming from a famous brand name, but you don't actually enjoy the experience and you start asking yourself, maybe I don't understand this, it must be a good thing, I paid all that money and they are famous after all. Well, they're wrong, and they're wrong to make you think like that. Imagine the way that you eat a banana. Think of the way you eat banana. You look at it, you know what it looks like. It's a banana. Then you start opening it. Once you touch it, it feels like a banana. It still continues to feel like a banana. When you peel it, the peel sound, the smell, some are stronger than others. It still supports the experience of a banana. Then you take a bite. The sensations in your mouth, the taste, the feeling, again, the touch in your mouth confirms it's a banana. That's how you experience a banana. It's all about the feelings. Leather is exactly the same. It should be the same. If it's not your fault. If you see that looks like leather, but once you start touching, once you start smelling and playing with it and you don't get that enjoyment and satisfaction, it is too late. It has to give you those sensational feelings and satisfaction by itself automatically. If it's an authentic, minimally, respectfully processed leather, that's the leather I call artisan leather. That's the leather everybody craves because it's not in the market. Why? Well, all these big brands in the main market, they have enormous amounts of customers that they need to produce products for. But leather, as a product of the nature, is never standard. So you cannot take any leather and finish it that minimally protecting the authentic character of the leather and then serve it to a high, big luxury brand customers because it's not going to be standard as a result, natural result of this leather. So what they do is they take any leather they can find, especially the lower grades, because the good one still goes to the craftsman with minimal respectful finishes. That mediocre grade always go to the big brands because they need a lot of them. Then they take the grain off, take all the imperfections away, and they paint it over. They cover with a huge plastic makeup on it to make it look standard. So all of their wallets, bags looks identical when they start selling and marketing all over the world. But when you do this, you take the shit out of leather, the soul out of leather that people actually wants to enjoy. Whenever you transform leather this way, over process it, we lose that connection. That becomes a banana. It still looks like a leather. They try to keep a good eye on it to not to lose the look because everything else is going under the plastics. So once you open that banana looking thing and you smell it, it's not there. You taste it, it's not there. It's tasteless and there is no satisfaction in the overall experience. And that's what they do. That's what they have to do with their huge sizes. And to cover this up, they go around and spend a lot of marketing. They say, hey, we're a big brand. We have the best stores and the best locations. We pay the highest rents. And these are super expensive. So you think, oh, it must be good. And overall, once you get it, the experience is not there. So it's not your fault. It's not that you don't understand leather. It's just not available in the main market. To enjoy leather with that authentic character, you have to go shop small craftsmen, small leather brands. Thank God there is a lot of us in this passion, in this industry these days. They're making their things in their garage and their small shops, and they only work with this authentic, beautiful, natural leather that you have been craving, that you will connect immediately, just like you connect that with that fruit, that entire experience. You look at it, it looks like leather, you take it, you open it, it smells like leather, you inspect every detail, there's imperfections, there is uniqueness everywhere. You touch it, you even the sounds make satisfaction in your sensory levels. So that's the leather a lot of people are craving and actually getting more and more of due to a lot of small craftsmen getting into this work lately, and I'm very appreciative of all that craftsmen and all the customers who support that craftsman and enjoy leather as it's supposed to be. Hopefully this was helpful in your understanding of leather and in your understanding of nothing wrong with you or your senses, and all that big brands did that to you, but we're gonna take it back one step at a time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you get notification every time we post new content. Thank you.